At 8:30. Speaking of, we got more economic data just crossing. Rick Santelli has that for us. Rick?
Yes, David. Let's start out with June construction spending down 0.4%. We're expecting an unchanged number. That would equal last month with a revision, which equals down 0.4 now. But you have to go to March to find a bigger drop in construction spending. ISM on the manufacturing side, the headline number comes in light at 48.0. That means it's the fifth consecutive number in contraction territory, and that would comp to, well, 48.0. You have to go back to October of last year to find a lower number. Prices paid moving down, but that's a good thing. 64.8. That'll be the lowest since February at 62.4. Good news there on new orders. 47.1, definitely light. 47.1 would be the lightest, well, just since last month, because the number has been now the fifth consecutive month also under 50. Employment, kind of late after today's number. Employment comes in at 43.4, so it was kind of correct. It's well below 45 in the rearview mirror, well below expectations. Now, let's look at what's going on with University of Michigan sentiment, shall we? If we look at the headline number, this is a final read, so we go from 61.8 to 61.7, no big change. If you look at current conditions, here's a big change from 66.8 to 68.0. That'd be the second best reading of the year outside of January at 75 and change. If we look at what's going on the expectation side, 58.6 now jumps up to 57.7. That's a solid number, and it's still well below the 58.6, but it's, 57.7 is on the light side, of course, and that would be the weakest level just since March. Finally, inflation, maybe the most important aspect of the University of Michigan. 4.4 becomes 4.5 on the 1 year, and there's a 0.2 drop on the 5 to 10 year from 3.6 to 3.4. That would be the second lowest reading of the year outside of January, where we started at 3.2. So we see that that's going to potentially fuel a little bit more maybe downside. I could sum up the morning pretty easy, everyone. If we look at May, non-farm, it was 144 before revisions, 19,000 now. If you look at June, it was 147,000. After revision, 14,000. That combination minus 258, that was the biggie. Sarah, back to you.
Okay, thank you, Rick. Rick Santelli.